Hello. This recording will provide information specific to international students as you prepare for your studies at the University of Victoria. During this presentation, I will discuss the services provided by UVic's Office of International Student Services, ISS, and health insurance for international students. I want to start by acknowledging that due to the unpredictability of the pandemic, immigration and travel policies may change without notice. The information I share today is current as I record in May 2021. For information regarding your study permit application and traveling to Canada, it is important to stay up to date by referencing the Government of Canada website. Now we will talk about the services offered by ISS. ISS is a centralized resource providing pre-arrival support, settlement resources on arrival, non-academic assistance like immigration and work authorization, and sociocultural programming for UVic international students. At this time, due to COVID-19, we have transitioned away from in-person services for the time being, but we are still available to support you remotely. The ISS website contains valuable information around immigration and settlement topics. There's travel, self-isolation, and pre-arrival checklist information that you can follow when you plan your travel to Canada. If the information you need is not on our website, you can also contact us by email at issinfo@uvic.ca or by phone at 1-250-721-6361. If required, our frontline advisors can connect you with an international student advisor. In terms of making social connections, I encourage you to join our global community. You can visit the global community webpage to find out detailed information and event schedules. You are welcome to join the fun virtual events that our GC programs hosts over the summer. If you have a Facebook account, feel free to join the UVic Global Community Group to receive event notices. The global community website is uvic.ca/global-community. In response to the current quarantine requirement for travelers arriving from overseas, UVic has created a self-isolation program to help you make the necessary arrangements for arrival and completing the required quarantine in Canada. Be sure to visit our office website for resources when you are planning for your arrival to Canada. But for today's presentation, we will primarily focus on health insurance. Because as you may have heard, the cost of medical services in Canada is very high for those who do not have health insurance. Without health coverage, you could be denied medical services, or you could end up paying thousands of dollars each day for a hospital stay. So it's very important to have sufficient health insurance coverage for your time in Canada. Once you arrive in Canada, all UVic students need to have comprehensive coverage for the whole time. What we mean by comprehensive coverage is that you have both primary health insurance and extended health insurance. So what will your primary health insurance cover? Primary health insurance covers the cost of medically required services such as visits to general physicians, diagnostic referrals, and hospital visits, which include the emergency room. UVic has a mandatory temporary medical insurance plan called GuardMe at UVic. New international students will be automatically enrolled in GuardMe at UVic and assessed a fee of $265 through your student account upon course registration. Your coverage will be effective August 18th through December 31st, 2021. Our office will host information sessions to further explain the opt-in and opt-out guidelines during the fall term international student welcome. Be sure to attend the session if you need more information. According to the BC Health Act, all residents living in BC for more than 6 months per year are required to enroll in BC MSP. Most of you will need to apply for the BC Medical Services Plan, BCMSP, as soon as you arrive to BC and have a study permit. You must keep your MSP plan active for the whole time you live in BC. Your coverage will begin after a waiting period of approximately 3 months. During this time, GuardMe at UVic will be your primary health insurance provider. Once your BC MSP takes effect, you will pay a monthly premium of $75 for a single student. If you have family members accompanying you to Canada, their health fees will be assessed based on the immigration documents they receive. For Canadian high school and transfer students, if you are covered by BC MSP or another Canadian provincial health plan, you may be able to opt out of GuardMe. For visual learners, this is just a timeline of what your health insurance coverage may look like. I'll just pause for a moment for you to have a look. In addition to primary health insurance, all undergraduate students registered in 3 or more units of courses will also be automatically enrolled in extended health insurance, which is arranged by the University of Victoria Student Society and assessed basic coverage fees. Extended health insurance coverage is different from primary coverage. The extended health and dental plan cover a portion of the cost of vision care, prescription drugs, dental treatments or cleaning services, and services provided by specialized medical practitioners. Thus, your extended health insurance cannot replace your primary health insurance. Having comprehensive health insurance, meaning both primary and extended, may ensure that you will not face any financial difficulties from medical services bills that sometimes result in compromising your academic progress while in Canada. If you have any questions as you prepare to study at UVic, please connect with the International Student Services Office at issinfo@uvic.ca. I also encourage you to visit their website at uvic.ca/ISS. Thank you so much, and we look forward to welcoming you to the UVic community.